Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to safely and organically control aphids in your garden. Here's a clip from the show. So I've heard of people claim that if you grow your garden perfectly, that no bugs will attack your plants. You know, this is a really tall order to grow your plants perfectly. Even a weather event can throw your garden off. So I don't think I can grow a perfect garden, so I'm willing to learn the skills to help my garden be successful. You know, aphids enjoy my garden in the spring, and I can count on their appearance as soon as the weather gets warm. So aphids are a soft, pear-shaped bodied insect that suck the juice out of your plants. So some of the aphids have wings, and most aphids are green, but they do also come in red, yellow, gray, and black. And aphids are about 1/8 of an inch long and have 6 legs. They're born pregnant. Yes, they are born pregnant. Female aphids can give live birth to pregnant females, and this can occur for several generations. In the fall, the female aphid mates with the male to produce eggs that winter over. Now, aphids, they secrete a sticky honeydew substance from their rears, and ants will carry the aphids around and harvest the honeydew from the aphids. So in the fall, the ants will carry the aphid eggs into their nest and take care of the eggs until spring, and then in the spring the ants will return the aphid eggs to the garden. If you have an infestation of ants, look for aphids as well. I know of about 14 ways to control aphids, and if you'd like to learn all 14 ways, get our homemade and organic pest control ebook. But I want to share with you my 4 favorite ways to control aphids. All right, number 1 is pyrethrins. So pyrethrins are extracts from the chrysanthemum, and you can get this in a spray or a powder, and you can apply that wherever you see the aphids. Number 2 is safer soap. It works well on aphids, and you have to get it on the body of the aphid. It kills by suffocation. So aphids breathe through their pores, and safer soap clogs their pores and they can't breathe anymore. Number 3 is repellent spray. This can be used to repel aphids and whiteflies, slugs, and cutworms, and you want to reapply after rain or once a week. So you mix 1 minced bulb of garlic, 1 small minced onion, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 quart of water. And then you're going to let that steep for 3 hours. Next, add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, and then you want to strain all the chunks out, and you're going to put that in a sprayer and spray that on your plants. So before we get to number 4, if you would like to learn the other 10 ways to eliminate aphids from your garden, you can get it in our homemade and organic pest control ebook that you get for free when you sponsor the High Performance Garden Show. So we give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide to anyone who sponsors the show at $8.25. So go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and from there you just scroll down the page, find the sponsor section, and then you can get those 3 ebooks. Okay, number 4, garlic oil spray. So you can use this for control over aphids, cabbage loopers, earwigs, June bugs, leaf hoppers, squash bugs, and whiteflies. So you're going to mince 1 bulb of garlic and soak it in 2 teaspoons of mineral oil for about 24 hours. And then next, mix 1 pint of water with the 1 tablespoon of liquid soap and add the garlic mix to the water and the soap. So you want to mix all this thoroughly, strain out the garlic chunks, and place this in a jar for storage. So you want to use 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic oil mix to 2 cups of water. And you're going to spray this on the plants, covering all the leaf surfaces. Make sure you get the undersides. You know, so with just a few household ingredients and some diligence, you can keep your garden free from aphids. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show, Year 8, Week 16. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.